Hello! Welcome to our series of video tutorials on how to use Music Snippet. Today, I'll show you how to store and reuse your snippets. Bear in mind, you need to synchronize your Flat4 Education account to use this feature. If you don't have a Flat4 Education account, sign up now and get a 3-month free trial. Before we start, why not subscribe to our channel? We would really appreciate it. Let's dive in. When you create a new snippet, it is automatically saved in your snippet library. This is a great feature since it enables you to reuse your snippets in other documents or slides, saving time. We have another trick that will make your life much easier. All your snippets are stored in a collection called Music Snippet in your scores library in Flat4 Education. This means that you can add scores you already have in your library to your Music Snippet collection for easy insertion into your docs and slides. And to reuse a snippet, you only need to open the add-on, go to your snippet library, click on the correct snippet and add it to the document. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know if you have any questions in the comments.